Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I am excited to continue my series of videos where I showcases how I've styled birthday parties around specific themes, and this time I will be sharing a fun and cute roller skating theme. This project was extra meaningful because I created it together with my friend Olga for her daughter's birthday party at a roller skating center. The theme was all about roller skates, and we chose a pink and purple color palette to make it bright and playful. Olga also runs an Etsy shop where she sells custom cookies, so we teamed up to create a beautiful party setup from invitation to cake toppers and goodie bags. This video will walk you through everything we made. I hope you find plenty of inspiration for your own celebration. Let's start with our invitation. I made the design by myself in Canva. You can create something similar in Canva too, or if you prefer my design invitation, you can buy a ready-made template from my Etsy shop. For this party, we sent some invitation digitally and printed others at home to hand out to guests in person. Now let's move on to the cake topper. The design of invitation was the foundation for all other party decor. So we used the same colors and elements to keep everything connective. I created the cake topper in Design Space program and cut all pieces with my cutting machine Cricut. If you would like to order this cake topper for your party, you can find it on my Etsy shop. Now time to talk about the goodie bags. We started pack the bags with custom cookies. My friend made the shapes like roller skates and stars. To match our theme, we also made thank you stickers and seal on each cookie. Next, we added a Capri Sun juice boxes with a custom birthday label. The design matched the invitation. I also made it with Canva. If you want to make your own labels, I have a detailed tutorials on my YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. Next, we included a set of mini pins in the same roller skating style. These made such cute keepsakes for the guests. To make the goodie bags even more fun, I created these activity sheets. This colored page is also all in the roller skating theme. If you are interested in learning how to create coloring pages like this, let me know in the comments and I will make a detailed video showing the full process. I hope this party decor became a memorable for birthday girl and also for her guests and made this day a little bit special. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share some other fun ideas for the roller skating theme party that I came across. While we didn't use this for our party, they are perfect for this theme and might inspire you for your own celebration. Here are a few great finds from Amazon, Etsy and Pinterest. I've included links and sources in the description below if you would like to check them out. There are some additional ideas to your roller skating party. Look at these balloons, how cute they are. Also, temporary tattoos are a big hit with kids. You can also find the same theme for plates and napkins. And here are some extra ideas for goodie bags. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what do you think. Check out my Etsy store if you want the same party decoration.